Hello, my lovelies. Now, was you expecting somebody else to walk through the door? I think not. Right, little thing before we start, because I'm in my normal cleaning outfit. As you can see, Mr. Producer has bought me a new cleaning outfit. He says it's one that will be easier to bend in. I'm not sure what that means. But before we start, don't forget, right, to like the video for me. Subscribe to my amazing YouTube channels. I have a few of them. Not many, but a few. And follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram. Now, if you're a subscriber already of my YouTube channels, double check that you're still a subscriber. Because I keep losing a chunk a night. It's a common thing. It keeps happening. You just have to roll with the times, don't you? But if you think you are unsubscribed and you want to find me, the best way is to type my name in the search bar, go on this week's, and you'll find all the videos. You will. Now, for the latest ones, follow the numbers. I think we're on 2,700 or something. But, there's a big but. Mr. Producer has found some old ones that he is putting on a different channel. Yes. So, if you see the 500 numbers, there's still me, still more, still Mr. Producer uploading them. He's just found them and he wants to put them back on. Because we like you to see them all. We do. We put the effort in making them. We want you to enjoy them. We do. So don't forget, make sure you're still subscribed. Click your notifications button with the bell to ring my bell to get notifications. Because I jump channels. I do. I don't stay on one channel. Beauty of having a few, I can upload a few. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yes, it is. I'm also on my Patreon. If you want to get to that, come on over to my Twitter. Click on the link on my Twitter. Over there, you'll get Patreon videos. My Patreon supports my YouTube channel, so it's a win-win. It is. Right, shall we get on with the cleaning videos? The cleaning outfit. I'm a bit all over the place. I am going to be doing cleaning videos in this outfit today. This is why Mr. Producer wants me to show you this outfit. Now, I'm presuming it's yellow. You know why? Because Mr. Producer's got my top out. A yellow bikini. So I'm presuming that this is yellow. You know, he likes to coordinate. He does. We're going to open up. Now, I've had some things from this company before. Ooh, they are yellow. And the same things that I've had before, just in yellow. Because they call me Mellow Yellow. I've had him in white and pink. I have. He's going through the rainbow. Ooh, I like the lace. I still like the lace. You know it's all about the lace. Look at that pretty pattern. You can find this company on eBay. That's where we get them from. But they're so pretty. And they're a size 3XL, which they say is a Europe 48 and a UK 2022. How much do you pay? About a fiver? A bit more than a fiver? Not too bad. The white ones and the pink ones are really nice. So I'm hoping the yellow ones are going to be really nice. There's a tag on the back of them. So I thought, before you point out that there's a tag on the back of them, I'd take the tag off. Yes. See that there? No, we better not. Oh. Where's it gone? It disappeared. Did it fall down? It did. It's on the floor. That was quite weird. Right. So we're going to turn around and put these on. We are. And then we'll put this top on. You want me to lay them out and show everybody first? Okay. So the 3/4 leggings, and they're like a cotton blend. They're nice. I like them. They're going to hopefully stretch. They are. So here we go. I have to do the full review. And then to give it maybe more of a review, I'm going to do some cleaning in them. Yes. Pull them up. I have to do a little shimmy to get into them. But they do go on eventually. Slide this down now. Yep. Do a little shimmy. Get into them. Make sure they're over the hips. What What do you think? Okay. Not bad. Right, we're going to turn around and put the bikini top on now. Now let's do the photos with the bikini top. It's fastened on the top, so that's easier. It is. It's a lot easier, that. Of course the string's not. We keep finding new bikini tops as well in Primark. Mr. Producer likes the string bikinis, you see. And we keep finding new ones. But we'll always go back to good old faithful ones. Like these ones. Right. Link it in. Ooh. That's quite a nice cleaning outfit. You've matched it quite nicely. Should we do some photos? Do some photos. Now it's cleaner. I don't want to put makeup on for cleaning. No. And then we've got to see, make sure that they're going to stretch around the bum. So we've got to bend. I had some. I had a piece of tree in my hair from feeding the birds this morning. It's a bit windy out there. It is. So the tree keeps coming inside and within my hair. Huh? Oh yeah, if you want to go check out that video, I've done a little snippet of it over on my Twitter. So go check that out. Yes. What did you stand on? It's not the bag that I left there, because I made sure it wasn't. A bit close on the face there, you know. Seeing all the wrinkles this morning. All the wrinkles. Yeah, they fit quite nice. Oh dear, I'm going to get on with doing the cleaning. I'm yawning already. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to split it into 3 videos, the cleaning. I am going to hoover, mop, and wipe down all my shelves as one video. Yeah. Second video is putting my throws on. And then no, I'm going to hoover out the fireplace first. I think that'll be the first video. Because then it gets rid of all the dust before I start mopping and everything. Then that'll be the right way around to do it. So fireplace, cleaning, and then I've got all my throws. Are we doing the throws within the mopping and the hoovering? Oh, it looks like we're doing 2 cleaning videos then. 3. Why 3? And then I've done this one today. No? Oh, you want me to clean in here? Yeah. I did a cleaning session on my Patreon yesterday. And it got to the point where the migraine that I had was taking over. So I did say I was going to clean the bedroom, but I missed that one out because I had to go to bed instead. So yeah, I'm going to give in here a quick hoover. Yes, I am. I don't know if we're putting that up yet. We'll see how the day goes. We have my silver award to go up, you see. And we still haven't put it up. We haven't. And next week, we are planning on doing videos in the bedroom next week. Like clothes try on, Lego builds, things like that next week. I'm going to bring my table in for my Lego build. I've got some items from a shop to demonstrate. So yeah, for the last couple of weeks I've been doing the monkey's bedroom. So I've been cleaning that, decorating that, doing videos in there, and then I've had to get on top of the rest of the house being cleaned because that kind of like took over. So next week we're going to concentrate in here, I think, and do a few out and about maybe. Yes. Follow the numbers. Oh, I'm yawning. How can I be yawning? It's only 10:10 in the morning. How can I be yawning? I don't get that. I don't understand. I don't. Making sure it doesn't pop over. Right, I'm jumping up. Well, I'm not going to literally jump. I don't do that anyway. I don't. So thank you for joining me in trying on my new cleaning outfit. What do you think? Get ready for the cleaning videos that will be coming. Not sure which channel we're going to be on. Not sure which channel we're on now. So, but make sure you're subscribed to Adelesexyuk UK Red, Adelesexyuk USA Blue, Adelesexyuk UK Pink, Adelesexyuk UK White, Adele UK Gamer, Adelesexyuk UK Lego, Adele's UK Lego, Adelesexyuk UK Adverts. I think that's it. Oh, Adele's TV. And Adele's UK Live. Yeah. So the old ones are going. Yes. Huh? I don't know. Red, blue, pink, white, gamer, Lego, advert, Adele's UK Live. 9. Oh, excuse me. So 9 altogether. So make sure you subscribe to them all. Yes. Follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram. Click on there. Get over onto my Twitter or my Instagram. My Patreon link's there if you want to come over there and check out those videos. And I'll see you all very soon. I love you all.